Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Of course it's me. Yeah, leo tuko hapa hii place inaitwa what? This is China's Boys, then opposite China's Boys. Yeah, barabara. So we are going like this. Tunaenda hivi. Let me show you how this road is. Let me flip my camera. See, kwa mlima huko, we are going that direction. Yeah, going a bit far. It's like 30 minutes to 45 minutes walk. And plus, I have someone here, wakubeba. It's hectic. I don't know how I'm going to do it. And he's so sleepy, so I hesitate. Tukona kisira ni mob. Okay, so yeah, just walk with me as we explore this outskirts of Nakuru City. Hey, acha kulia baba. Come nikubebe. At this rate tutaifika kweli pale tunaenda shule. Pata kwa mgongo tuende. Pata amejam. Why cry? Why cry? Just me yangu pata kwa mgongo tuende. Yeah. Now let's go. Actually, I'm having a very hard time. I'm holding my bag over here. This guy, again, it's a bit hectic. Yeah. But anyway, let's do this. We're gonna do this by fire, by force. Whatever it takes, okay? Yeah. Actually, like there's absolutely no one on the road. Yeah, no one completely. But I think hapa kuna mtu kwa shamba, sijui anafanya. Yeah. I'm actually so tired. Sijafika halfway. Yeah, what? Nini baba? Yeah, kumekauka, like there's totally no one kwa hii barabara. So yeah, let me get away. So let's keep on moving. Yeah, telling you this is so hectic. Now actually my phone ilikuwa imezima, and I don't even have any cash, so I just depend on this phone. Nitarudi aje huko. Yeah, fair. Yeah. I'm actually having a really bad day. Yeah. Actually, I have a lot of things going on, so this is just one of the ways I'm using to at least make me feel better. So I actually love this place. It's been this place over here. It contains some what? These are my stuff za kitambo, like penye wazungu walikuwa wanaishi, something of the sort. Yeah, and it kind of looks like the Garden of Eden that Angela Wanjiku shooting place. Yeah, the shooting place Angela Wanjiku. It looks exactly like this place. This place reminds me of her. I really love her work. Yeah. Okay, we're almost tuko karibu kumwisho wa barabara. Then yeah, we have like 3 more corners or 2. I don't remember, but let's go and see. Yeah. Kutoka nayo basi ushuku utembea kidogo hata I can do that, shuka kidogo. Hey, actually guys, this is the place. Let me move a little bit closer. Naonesha vya kunakaa. Like, yeah, wamefunga gate watakangi mtu aingie ndani, but this is how it looks. Like place ni watu wazungu kwa nini kitambo. somewhere kwenye watu wana visiting like snack park, something like that. It's a big place. But one day I'm gonna make sure that niingie kwa ndani nijue kuna kaje. Yaona. Hi. Let's go. Let's go. Hapa kuna mlima. But now finally nimefika mwisho wa hii the first water. Yeah. So next up, I've never come here alone. Yeah. So I don't think nitakumbuka njia poa, but let me see. Yeah. It's kind of forest. See. And now I'm not going to that road. Huko ndo tumetoka. And then kuna road nyingine huko. Then kuna hiyo. So tuna move na hii ya mbele. This one. Yeah. It's kind of tricky. Nimechoka. Just look at the environment. Like it's kind of forest. Ni place yenye still ina develop. Imeanza kudevelop. Yeah. Hata mtu akinishikia hapa. Au mtoto yeye na wacha kadu. Sisi scream mtu anisikia. Baby, I'm so tired. So we're going to tembea kidogo. Look at the trees over there. Yeah. Nasikia sauti ya piki huko chini ndio imepita. Naenda like ngumu sana kupatana na mtu huko. I've come here like for like 2 or 3 times or 4 times. But today patana na mtu. But I'm not always alone. Today I'm just going to make peke yangu huko, but yeah. Let's see. Aida ni mrefu. Really. Like it's daytime lakini hakuna mtu, like completely no one. Yeah, I'm really sweating. Hapa even place ya mbao penye wanatengeneza mbao and something of the sort. Yeah, let me show you. See? But sasa nimeanza kupatana na watu wa hii road. But I actually don't know what kind. Nienda sasa aje kutoka hapa. Let me think. So nimeanza kufika places zilizo developed. See? Yeah. Actually nimepata the right road. Nimepata. Yeah. So see kwa tu na lima. Sasa nimeanza kufika kwa homestead. This is not a place mbaya kama kwa nyuma kwa forest and something of the sort. Yeah. So guys, I actually did record the whole thing, capture the whole journey because watu ni mzito sana, so pause and ni concentrate kwa kumbeba pia. See, because I don't know how to walk slowly. I always walk so fast, very fast. People's homestead. Yeah. See. Yeah. Okay. Tumebakisha tu kitu kidogo like 10 minutes. 10 to 15 minutes, I think so. Yeah. See you there. Joke. Oh. Christ. I'm so tired. Super sweating. Kama natoka kufanya exercise. Natoka kukimbia but yeah. We are almost there. Yeah, what? Yeah. Tuende sasa tembea kiasi. Yes, hapa pia sijui mtu anaenda aje. Come. Camera dingine iko. I think it's this one. I'm not so certain, but it's this. My instinct tells me it's this. What? Ndio mkono. Au tuweza kubeba hiyo bag. You see huku kuko watu wameanza kucultivate. Nikapo mtu amepanda waru. Yeah, kuna homesteads kadhaa though. Bado ziko somehow scattered. But look. Hapo mtu amepanda. Run. Hata kuna joto utresi weather. Huku kumepanda mahindi na nani like kumevunwa. The other time nikipita huku kumevunwa maharagwe. Yeah, so it's a place that sasa imeanza grow. And in the next like 5 years I think kutakuwa na lami huku. Ile hapa kuna kuwa na lami katika nini? So see a place like this hapa. Hapo kuwa na lami lakini kitambo kavunjwa. Ndio na nini nyingine. Yeah, but this is a really cool place. And it's really helping me with myself. I really had a bad morning. Being a good person sometimes can be a bad thing, okay? Don't be so good to people because people take advantage of you. But wanatumia to the slightest chance they have, they'll destroy you like nonsense. You can do everything for someone. Like you are there for someone, like a friend, you're there, you're doing this for them. You don't forget about yourself. Yeah. But mtu akipata chance kadogo anasahau kila kitu ndio ulimfanyia. They just have to backbite you and stuff. Come twende. No. Unataka nini? Hiyo si matunda. Anakulaga na mchana sasa matunda. Si matunda baba, what is this? Anataka hizo vitu actually. This. Si matunda. Maua. Ni flower twende. Ni flower. Tunatoa hilo na kitu kwa mbele. So ini hapa ni katikati shamba ya mtu, but here we're going to pass through here to that very end. Yeah, so tukishafika end ya hii shamba, then yeah, I'll be at that place, but I can't tell you what the place is. I'll be there. This is just my hiding place. When nilikuwa na stress, I just come and release it here. Yeah, it's a good place, but I don't think I'll be able to show you. Maybe next time. Let's do it next time, but I won't tell you. Okay. Yeah, guys, as I was saying, like you can never be a cup of tea for everyone. Kuna wenye anakunywa sukari, kuna wenye anakunywa sukari, kuna wenye anakunywa majani, mwingine koko, mwingine whatsoever and all that. But kuna mtu tu mwenye akikuhate amekuhate. No matter how much you try being nice to them, they'll never be able to love you. They'll just pretend. Wakikuwa na yeye, they just pretend. Yeah, hey, bestie and all that. But they don't really care. They don't. They just use the slightest chance and they forget everything you have ever done for them in their life. Kila kitu, they just throw it aside like kind of introverted, so I thought that this was the best chance for me. For the first time in my life, I wanted to try being social, so I started socializing. But little did I know, you know, the first time you socialize, you're so happy, you're to kila kitu, what and what, this and this, it's doing him, yeah, but then patana na mshtuko ingine, pata heart attack. But me, I don't want to die. I can't die. I'm still very young. I still have a lot of things to explore. I have myself to take care of. So, oh, sorry. Sorry to baba. Baba, hii kitu inaangusha watoto sasa. Kitu inaangusha. Sorry. Napenda kukimbia. Sikimbia sana. Nini ya baba? What's that? Napenda kushika tena. Napenda kuwa independent. It's so independent. Hata hana time yangu. Pressure by himself. He doesn't like, he's a little bit like me. Hajui kusocialize sana na watu. Hata ukimweka na watu wengine, you'll find him playing alone. Sijui mbona hata mimi growing up I went through something that made me nilikuwa something like a loner also. So nilikuwa najaribu kusocialize, but yeah, I'm trying to kind of pull myself together. Being a social person, I've never actually really partied and gone out to watch zona sherehe na vitu kama hizo. So I think it's kind of like me. But though maybe angali mdogo. Kwa mkubwa ata change. Yeah. You see this place now. Tumepatana na nyumba kadhaa but ziko mbali kiasi. Na tuko mwisho wa hii njia. Na at the end of this road, I don't think I'm going to show you that place. It's my secret how I don't play. Still release my stress. Yeah. Going to be here like for, it's actually like 3. Nataka ninyeshewe. So nataka kidogo taka tunaona hawa. Yeah. Then nikienda home nitakuwa nimechoka. Sasa nitakuwa nimechoka ni relax. Yeah, we'll be done for the day. Ndio tunafika mwisho. Kuja nikufunge. Nafika mwisho, then hapo kuna some beehives. Okay. Yeah, kuna beehives. I don't think if you can see them. Kuna beehives somewhere like that. Yeah. Twende. Mechoka. Ila at least amejaribu kutembea. I'm so tired. Tagongwa. So guys, yeah, I think that has been it for today. I don't think there's anything else I'll show you. Yeah, let me just cool down. Nikae chini nipumzike. Yeah, meditate. Have fun with this guy over here. And I'll call it a day. Nirudi home. I'll be good. I'll see you in the next video. Yeah. Hopefully the next one will be a good one. Maybe I'll be in a good mood that day. Today I just feel so down. But yeah. Have a good day. Have a nice time. Until next time. Bye bye. Nilikuwa na snack yangu hapa ndani. Yes, snack. Bado hii ni basi kila mtu anaenda na anataka. Nilikuwa naenda na hii. Baba. Hita.